The next interesting sound is and that is letter M. The letter M sound from top to bottom. Again take your hand to the top and up and down. First this, then you bring it here, go up, come down. Do this, this, M. And the small letter M is without taking your hand. Without taking your hand. Down, then you go up, then you go up and come down. Letter M. The sound is What does your mom and dad do? They make meals for you. Let's sing that together, mom and dad. The mom and dad makes many meals. The mom and dad makes many meals for their hungry children. After eating, what do you say? Very nice. The mom and dad makes many meals. The mom and dad makes many meals for their hungry children. Letter M. It's got the sound Mom. Money. Good. Monkey. Many. Yes. Many. Then mat. Good. Mango. Milk you drink. Yes. Milk. The sound of letter M is You have mom, monkey, money, many, mat, mango, milk. The sound of letter M is